What makes a steam cleaning service the best in the business? Are you looking for a steam cleaning service in Melbourne? You must pick the best of the lot. There are a few qualities that separate the best from the others. What are those qualities? They must be experienced. They must be flexible in service. They must be cost-effective and transparent. They must be trained. They must offer eco-friendly cleaning. There's only one name that is the best on all these fronts. That's Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne. Yes. We are the best carpet and upholstery cleaners in Melbourne, as we awarded by Australian Enterprise. Call us at 1-800-960-244. Contact us at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us at bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com.